Well, thank you for joining me for another Alex on Tech and ITY video. I'm here in Paris for the launch of the Huawei P30 Pro, their most advanced smartphone yet, with incredible features like 5 times optical zoom, 10 times hybrid zoom, and even a 50 times digital zoom with incredible sharpness and detail, even at those extreme zoom amounts. Now we have the box here. I've covered up the IMEI number, but this is the breathing crystal model with 256 gig of storage and 8 gig of RAM. Now, as I open the unit up itself, we can see the beautiful crystal color in a moment. There are other colors as well, an orange one that doesn't appear to be coming to Australia, and an aurora sort of green shimmering model. Here's the unit itself. You can see that's where the fingerprint sensor on screen will be. That is the beautiful color of this breathing crystal. It really is quite spectacular to see that. Now I'm going to turn this phone on, so let's just turn it on. Actually, sorry, I'm pushing the wrong button there, and should have some charge. But as it's turning on there, I'm going to have a look at the rest of the box. So we have obviously the tray with the cutouts for the camera system. Inside here we have another box that has the SIM card removal tool. And inside here is a protective case. It's good that Huawei includes the case in the box. I'm going to pull that out, then going to grab the phone here and immediately place it into the case. So there we go. Now that banding obviously is just an artifact of how I'm filming. Again, that moire padding is obviously part of the filming as well. I'm not going to go into all the details of I'm not going to set up the phone right now, but I'll just turn it off there. Let's just have a look at what's in the rest of the, oops, there we go, that's on properly. So now the phone is off. So inside here we have a charger, and it's actually supposed to be an Australian charger, but it doesn't matter. Huawei can sort that out for me. And here we have the USB-C charging cable, and of course the headphones. Now this charger is a supercharger that can charge the phone in half an hour of charging, gets 70% of the battery being charged, and in 45 minutes it's about 80% of charging, or 85% that I read online. Now what we can also see here is the incredible 4-camera system. There are 3 cameras there. This last one down here uses a periscope mechanism to actually allow you to have a 5 times optical zoom, and then in conjunction with one of these cameras, I'm not sure which one, you can get a 10 times hybrid zoom, and also the aforementioned 50 times. There's also a Tof Time-of-Flight Camera here, and we have the flash. You can see that there's microphones. That's actually an infrared port, so you can still do things like operate your televisions and air conditioning systems. On the bottom we have a speaker for the loudspeaker and the USB-C. That's the SIM card port there. On the phone itself there is a in-screen speaker system that is using a magnet that is vibrating, and you have to put your ear here to listen, but it is supposed to be incredible. I haven't made a phone call on this one yet, but I certainly will be doing that to test it out. You can see in comparison, for example, to a Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, that although we have a similarly sized screen, it's actually the phone is not as wide and not as tall, but the screen is 6.47 inches. So you're getting a more compact phone, and you have that same sort of edge design there. So look, that's the initial unboxing video. I'm going to have lots of things to say and lots of photos. I've already had a chance to play with a different P30 Pro before getting this one, and just the photographic quality was really quite astounding. So look, that's the initial unboxing video, and plenty more content to come.